My first day in Hokkaido started fast. Too fast. I landed at new Chitose airport, took my first breath of cold air, and instantly felt it. This place is serious about winter. And yes, my clothes were absolutely not ready for this weather. Lesson learned on day one. Without stopping, I went straight to Otaru. Snow everywhere. Real snow. Deep, quiet, endless. I walked along the main street, slowly, watching people pass by, watching the city breathe. Otaru Canal, frozen edges, still water. It felt like the city was whispering stories from another time. I kept walking to the station and then higher to Sumiyoshi Shrine. Snow-covered steps, cold air, silence that feels warm inside. Later that day, I arrived in Sapporo. Bigger city, more movement, different energy. After checking into the hotel, I went straight back out, up to the Sapporo TV tower. The view was unreal. Lights everywhere, snow reflecting the city like a mirror. In the evening, I walked to the red brick building, the former Hokkaido government office. Old walls, quiet power, history standing still. My first day ended without many words. Just cold air, bright lights, and the feeling that this journey had only just begun. Day 2 started with a decision. No buses, no trains, only walking. I left the hotel near Sapporo station and simply moved forward. The city felt calm in the morning, snow under my feet, cold air clearing my head. After a long walk, I reached Hokkaido Shrine. So quiet, trees covered in snow. Every step sounded louder than my thoughts. I stayed there for a while, no rush, just breathing and being present. Then I continued on, to Sapporo Fushimi Inari Shrine. Red torii gates, white snow. The contrast was beautiful. Nearby was the Mount Moiva ropeway entrance. Everyone said, "There will be fog, you won't see anything." But I went up anyway. No fog, clear view, the city spread out below like a painting. I walked back to the hotel through the city center. Bright lights, crowds, movement everywhere. The center of Sapporo felt just like Shinjuku in Tokyo, alive, full of energy. Long day, tired legs, but a very happy mind. Day 3 was about slowing down. I headed back toward the airport and stayed in a hotel in Chitose city. The weather changed. Wet, cold, heavy air. My camera lens kept fogging up, like it couldn't handle this climate anymore. I walked around with no real plan, waiting for check-in, passing time. Grey sky, wet streets, very few people. And then I found Chitose Shrine. Simple, quiet, peaceful. For some reason, that place stayed with me. No big views that day, no bright lights, just a feeling of closure. The trip was ending, but the memories were just beginning.